Welcome to engineeringall.com YouTube channel. Please like and share our videos, subscribe to this channel, and turn your notification button on for more videos. Thank you.
In this video we will be discussing about the features of incoming smartphone from Vivo in 2022 that will have removable camera drone. Note that smartphone features are taking new dimensions as every brand is trying their best to stand out and have ways of attracting more buyers. Within the past 5 years there have been continuous improvements in smartphone technology. These improvements surround addition of special features such as the advancements in smartphone camera resulting to the modern use of the AI camera in smartphone. There has been significant increase in RAMs and memory storage capacities. The recent innovation of Vivo is to have an inbuilt camera drone as part of the new smartphone. The camera drone can be ejected out of the phone just like removable battle. It will be used to fly around the surroundings to get video coverage and be controlled remotely through a smartphone mobile app installed in the phone. The size of the camera drone will be very small to allow it fit into the space provided in the head section of the phone. There will rechargeable inbuilt battle accompanying the camera drone which will allow it operate wirelessly within close range. This type of innovation has been seen to be very useful in surveillance jobs and security survey of the environment. Vivo ideas on this phone portray an image of smartphone that its usefulness exceeds the conventional smartphone known to call, messaging, and entertainment. However, going through public reactions, some of the Vivo fans and customers are suggesting that the camera drone should be added to the smartphone as accessory in its packet to allow enough space for the smartphone battery. They believe that the phone may end up having poor battery capacity due to the space that will be allocated to the camera drone which will occupy some parts meant for the phone battery. Meanwhile, Vivo has not released the final stage production and date of its release yet. It is believed that they are gathering information from the public for better improvement of the new smartphone. Thank you for watching. Please share this video and subscribe to Engineering All YouTube channel.
For watching, please hit the red button to subscribe for more videos. Please follow and like engineeringall.com in all social media.